Hello everyone, Yellow Mustang here once again with another Roblox game development video. Last time we were working on the lizard logic, consolidating everything, and we got it partially working, but we didn't have it all the way working. For some reason, only one lizard was being activated through the pathfinding thread creator thing, so only one lizard was working when we want them all to work. So I'm just going to make sure that this prints multiple times, and hopefully we can identify where exactly the issue is coming from. This is how I normally troubleshoot scripts, is I just put print statements and see how far the script makes it. Okay, so it looks like down there it printed out 2 tables. It printed out 3 tables that time because it spawned 3 enemies. Okay, so that is working. So let's get in here. We can close out of most of that. Okay. So this is being called. So if lizard.target, then do that. So maybe the target isn't being activated for every lizard. Let's check that out. So we know that print is good. It's making it that far. So let's see. Let's just print from here. We can just print lizard.target. And then oh, why do we have an await 1 in here? Yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay, and then we could just do else print no target, and we'll just see if the target, as I'm assuming the targets aren't getting updated, and that's why they aren't moving. Maybe we're looping through the table incorrectly or something on our target updater script. So let's see if that works. So down at the bottom, we are printing a bunch of humanoid root parts. Humanoid root part. It's printing a lot, actually. So it looks like all of them are running. It doesn't look like any of them is printing no target, which is weird. Okay, so then we can print pathing there. So we know the lizard has a target now. So now we'll just go further into the script here and see if this is messing it up somewhere. I don't see why it would. Because if one of them's working, they all should be working, right? It should be like a bunch of different threads running all at once. Which is weird. What am I getting hit by? Okay, well I guess I hit myself with my own bullets there. It's not good. Okay. So pathing. Pathing. Okay. So for some reason, maybe the wrong humanoid is being activated. Okay, so let's see here. We need to really consolidate this closer together. Let's move this function down to be more consolidated. I don't like having all the functions separated like that, so we can move that there. Let's move the died function further down. I'll have it right above initiate. Okay, that looks a little bit cleaner. Okay, so let's look at this path to target, and then it passes the lizard, and then it does the thing. Create path, my root position, target dot position. All that is defined up here. It should be pulling it from the table, right? Which is so weird. Because it should be updating. Alright, so Let's go in here and we'll just print I and see how many paths are actually being generated. Okay, so as you can see, these guys are both generating paths to me, as you can see by the 2. And then now we have a bunch of paths being generated. So they all have their own thread. They're all generating paths. So why isn't all of the humanoids moving now then? So my human equals lizard.character.humanoid. Okay, I think I found the error. So if v.character, I think we just called it char, right? Like C-H-A-R. So it's v.char equals lizard. Oh, that's a stupid typo. That's really annoying because it didn't give me an error or anything. It just kind of went with it. And it was always returning false, like it couldn't find the character because the character value didn't exist. Okay, so lizard, a nil value. Oh Lord. v.char equals lizard. Pairs lizard, v equals lizard. So it should always be able to find the lizard in the table. So because it inserts it right here, and then it's v.character equals lizard, which should be the value. So how could it possibly be nil? Found the other issue here. Obviously, it's not going to find v.character as the lizard when we set the lizard value up here to be nothing, which is stupid. That's terrible. Okay, so lizard... what can we call this just to be different? Lizard table? Not lizard table. Lizard in the table. Oh my god, man. I can't believe it. Lizard T. Yeah, sure. Okay, so lizard T, initialize that, put this here, put this there. Okay, so hopefully that works now, I think. Man, that was really bad. Really bad coding, but whatever. How we do it. Alright, let's see. Cool, okay. So now both of these guys are pathfinding towards me. Fairly well. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. I want to do the pathfinding. I want to mess with these guys a little bit more. I want them to turn and face me also. Okay, what do we got? Errors. Torso is not a value member of model. Did one of these guys die? Okay, well, maybe something spawned, like, off the cliff, I guess. Okay, so we got that working somewhat. We need to fix the died function, and we need to fix the attack function now, just to get this stuff all together. Okay, so died, lizard. So this just creates a listener here. So I don't know why we need these values. My human display distance equals 0. Okay, that makes sense. Torso, get children, is a motor 60, destroy. Okay, let's not do it like that, because that's going to create errors if the torso is nil. So we can just do lizard, get descendants. So this will just return every single instance that is under inside the lizard, even if it's inside of another instance. So it'll cover our subdirectories there. So we'll destroy all the motor 6Ds. That'll be fine. Okay, so script.parent we can replace with lizard, which is fine. And then here, lizard, get descendants. And then tween them invisible, and then destroy the body. Perfect. Okay, so that is all fine and dandy, but we need to take the lizard out of our lizards table when it dies. So I don't want to rewrite this again. So let's make a function to find the lizard in the table. I don't know where I should put that. Yeah, all these functions are in such weird spots. Okay, so we'll do like function find lizard in table, lizard character. Perfect. Okay. So we'll do for IV in pairs. So lizard for I lizard index. Make this a little organized in pairs. Lizards do. Okay. And then we'll do if lizard dot character is equal to lizard character, then return the index. So return index, I believe, is what we want, or we want the actual table value. So I think we want both, depending on what we're doing. So this one we want the actual table value, and then the other one we want the index. So I guess we can just set this to return a tuple, so we can return both values. So we return the index, and we'll just return lizard, which should be fine. So we can just declare two variables in here at once without the need for this janky garbage, I guess. So local t lizard t equals find lizard in table. So it's going to be sending two values back. So it's going to be index and lizard t. Then that should be fine. Cool. All right, that cleans up that a little bit more. Coolio. All right, let's just run this again and make sure. And actually, I want to speed up. Where's the spawning script at? Enemy spawner. Okay. So I got all these wait, while wait, do, whatever. Spawn enemies. Well, I guess I'm going to be loading it anyways, so I can't instantly spawn it in, huh? Okay, that's fine. I'll just wait. I'm going to have to revamp that whole spawning system anyways, because I don't like it, because it spawns way too many enemies and just crashes the game if you're not constantly destroying enemies. So I'm going to have to put a cap on that or something. Okay, cool. So I got errors out the ass already. Of course. Okay, so yeah, that's on the separate thread creator thing. Lizard T. Oh, it's because I didn't put the lizard thing inside the function argument. So of course it couldn't find it. Okay, cool. So it looks like we're good here. Sick. Okay, so these guys are working again, and we got that new function created. Now we can use that same function in the died thing to identify the table index. So we'll do local local lizard index equals find lizard in table, feed it the lizard value, and then we'll just do table dot remove And then we want to give it the table and the number position. Okay, so we'll do lizards and then index. And that way, when we kill lizards now, it should take it out of the table. So let's just make sure this works, and we'll print number of lizards remaining is that. We'll put a comma there. We'll just do number lizards. Okay, so make sure that the entries in the table actually goes down as we lose them. Let's go ahead and load in here, and we'll kill some of these lizards and make sure that it actually goes down. Okay, kill that guy, kill that guy. Okay, lizards remaining 0. Perfect. Okay, and hopefully these guys get cleaned up like they're supposed to. Or the whole script can break. That's cool too. Really? Why is the script broken? I didn't even get an error or anything. It's just like it gave up. Okay. Thanks for that. What did I do to break it that badly? So you kill lizards and it's just broken. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense to me why that would break. Oh my god. Alright, well, initialize. Let's just make sure this is firing properly. So, initializing lizard. Let's just run this. You know, you guys know the drill. 1,000,000 prints to success. And I still have an animate script in my character I need to fix. Okay. Okay. So this guy still works. And then these other guys don't. Oh, as soon as they spawn, actually, then this guy stops working. That's weird. Why? What? That's super strange. Wait, so if I don't kill any and I let them spawn, then what happens? Do. Troubleshooting for days. Okay, so you guys can live in peace with me, my lizard friends, until I make you attack again. So for the attacking animation with these guys, I'm going to have it so they like charge up now. Okay, so it's something to do with when I remove them from the table, I guess. Stuff really gets messed up. I think I found the problem here. So in the died, I'm trying to add the server script service to the debris. Oh my goodness. Okay, so put lizard in there. Okay, so that will delete the lizard body. Okay, so after years of staring at the screen, I think I have our answer. And I removed a bunch of printing from down here from various scripts. So that should clean up a little bit. Yeah. I still don't know why sometimes stuff just falls to the earth. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay, this is working now. Fantastic. Okay, so that's working pretty well. So now we cleanly remove them from the table and everything when they die, and everything is working good enough. Good enough. Now we just got to get the attacking actually working now, which will be fun, I think. But I think I'm gonna wrap the episode up here and then just split this into another part. It is running a bit long. I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck.